Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a vampire. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start in the middle of the paper by doing a letter U. This is gonna be the face and this is Y letter U, and I'm just gonna go really slow and I'm gonna stop right here. Now let's do the other side. Let's extend a little bit the line so they're in the same height, and now we're gonna do a curvy line that goes around and connects to the other side, just like this. Okay, so the next step is gonna be from this point I'm gonna do a letter M. Okay, so let's start from here and let's go up and then go down and then up again and then down. This is gonna be the hair. Okay, now let's do now the ears. So half a circle here, half a circle on the left, and now let's do eyes. The eyes are gonna be 2 circles, so putting one here, leaving a space in the middle, and then now do the other one. Now the nose is gonna be a backwards letter C, just like that, and inside let's do 2 black circles for the eyes. The eyebrows are going to be 2 triangles, just like this, over the eyes, and I'm gonna pass again my marker on the eyebrows to make it thicker. Okay, so just like this, let's do kind of like a line over, and just like that. For the smile, I'm just gonna do a curved line, and then in each side we're gonna do a fang, just like this, 2 triangles. Okay, now I'm gonna continue with the body, and we're gonna do a cape. So we're gonna go down this way, we're gonna curve a little bit to the left, just like that, and let's do the same now, curving to the right. Okay, now I'm doing here a line and under his chin, and this one is curving to the right, but it's making look the left side wider than the right side. Now here I'm doing U shapes, upside down U's, to finish the cape. Let's do one more and a little one. There, now let's continue with the boots. The boots, I'm just gonna go down, down 2 lines, then I'm gonna do here a triangle shape, then going up and close it. Now for the other boot, I'm going down, then up, now another line, triangle shape, and close it. And the last detail is gonna be in the neck. We're gonna do here 2 triangles for the top part of the cape. Okay, so let's just one here and one here, and that's it, we're finished. This was super easy, and now my favorite part, let's color. Good job, little artists. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me this vampire. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.